don't know what they're talking about. Everything was above board. Can you double check to make sure? I'm pretty sure we did things above board. Hi there, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethlyn. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the idiom above board. Now, in the first two examples, I talked about doing something above board. Does it mean that a board was lifted up and I did something underneath it? Before we explain the meaning of this idiom, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you can receive information whenever we release a new video. When you do something above board, it means you do it honestly, fairly, with integrity. There's no deceit or anything involved that would cause someone to question you. Now, when we think about things that are done above board, when a process is executed, when an action is performed, right? So, for example, if there's a competition and maybe someone calls into question the judges or the judging process, and you can say, no, we did everything above board. Another example would be, let's say you are a contractor and you're building a house. Someone hired you to build their home. And they're looking at you and they're wondering if you took some shortcuts, if maybe you used cheaper materials but charged them for more expensive materials. So you can say, no, I did everything above board. So that's the idea. You did it honestly, you did it with integrity. You can show proof or evidence about how the work was done, what work was done. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below. I'll see you next week.